Welcome to Bitcoin Cash Giveaway app, ladies and gentlemen. A sister platform to Litecoin Giveaway. Alright, the app I showed the payment proof. They actually pay automatically. They send your earnings once you hit the threshold that you have set for yourself. So this is Bitcoin Cash, just another one. So let's click on agree here. So I've been on this app for very long. I think I stopped using it some years back, and today I'm here again. I stumbled across it. I remembered it, and I want to use it. So I'm going to log in by providing the email address I was using. Then I click on submit. It's logged in successfully. You will automatically paid out to. That's the wallet address I submitted, right? The payout is every Tuesday. So if I don't change this wallet in a few minutes, I will be paid to that wallet, which at the moment I'm not even sure which wallet that is. Alright, so that's some of the earnings that we're hanging. It's getting credited. So continue. So there is the hourly claim available. So normally what you do here is you spin. You get 2 free spins, at the end of which you can now watch an ad to get additional spins. So if you're okay with this amount that you have here for free, you can go for it, or you might consider watching ads, right? So they also have bonus claim here. So here you click on get rewards, you watch an ad. So when you're done watching the ad, you close, and then you click on claim reward. Alright, so you click on continue. If you want to claim bonus again, you tap on it, right? So this is my history. My last withdrawal was on the 28th of November 2023, right? That's to tell you how long I've been using the platform. So after every 1 hour, you come and claim your early faucet. You participate in offer walls, and whatever rewards you are getting for completing tasks will be credited here, which you can withdraw. Then the bonus claim, we just participated in that. They also have playtime of a war, there's Bit Labs of a war, make money of a war, there's review of a war, and then there is Litecoin Giveaway, the one I just spoke about. So I'll be leaving you my link to that app as well, so you can check it out. They work similar, so you might want to look that up, right? So let me change my wallet address. To do that, I click on control panel here. So it says you have limited access to account changes. You may enter your account code to enable changes, right? So I'll request for code. The code will be sent to your registered email address, so you go to your inbox. So after getting the code, even here you can click on enter code, then you paste it and you click on done. So now you have the option to edit your wallet and even your email address. So let's go to Bybit. Let's click on deposit crypto, search Bitcoin Cash. Network is Bitcoin Cash. So always check the minimum deposit amount, right? 0.40. So hit the copy button. This is my new wallet address. I'll paste it here, and I click on submit. I've bound the new wallet address, and once it's time, I'll receive tokens on the new wallet address if I have reached the threshold. So what's my current withdrawal threshold? Let's find out. Let's click on control panel. Let's click on payment threshold. So you actually have the option to change your withdrawal threshold. You can select 0.000500, 0.000200, 0.001, 0.00, right? So those are the different thresholds, right? It's almost a Tuesday. Let me just go for 0.0002. Let me go for this so that I'll be able to get my this. So it says the minimum payout has been changed to 20 satoshis. That's 0.3 zeros and 2. Yes, because I want to withdraw what I have, which is 38,023, right? So withdrawing this platform is automatic. Every Tuesday you get sent whatever it is that you have. I mean, not everything, depending on your set withdrawal threshold, right? So that's it about Bitcoin Cash Giveaway. You invite friends and you earn 30%. So you find my referral link in the pinned comments. So you jump on it, register, download the app, and start using Bitcoin Cash. Get 30% of everything new user you invite earns in the app. You both get 30% of bonus on all offers for 15 days, right? So they have a summer giveaway from 31st until 31st of August. You get 30% referral revenue. After the promo ends, you still get 10%, right? So it says I've invited 420 friends and earned 718,557 satoshis of Bitcoin Cash in total. Right? See how long I've not been here, more than 3 years. And it's payment to clerk. It says I have received this amount of BCH on this date sent to this wallet. Depending on your wallet, the transaction may take a few hours to confirm, and at the same time I've received 453 Satoshi due to my referral activity. So let's go to my wallet and confirm this. Alright, so we're on Bybit, and let's check the notifications. It says this amount of Bitcoin cash was received, right? Is not some huge amount that can get me a Lambo, but at least it is a testament that the platform is actually paying even as at this moment, right? So I'll be leaving a link in the pinned comment of the video and it's on the Telegram page for you guys. So you jump on it, register, download the app, and start earning free BCH. Good thing is you get paid every Tuesday of every week, right? And you pick the minimum withdrawal threshold yourself. That's the good thing about this platform. So there you have it, guys. Thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. Bye bye.